What project is that, Alan?
This is one of the judges. Oh, so one of the ways they can get some points without even putting their ROV in the water is by reading a title chart and looking at where the best place to put underwater turbines might be on the chart. And so they can get 10 points just by saying, okay, we should put the turbine here based on the tidal flow. They can also, they can get 10 points for identifying where this World War II airplane went down based on the altitude, the flight, the speed, and the last known location. They have to point on the map where in this large lake they should search for this downed aircraft.
And the competition is to find and
So
identify.
there's three main missions. One is to find and identify this downed World War II aircraft.
Right.
Retrieve the motor. Identify the tail structure. So the shape of the tail will tell you what type of aircraft. The tail number will tell you exactly which aircraft. And then they have to, there's an energy challenge where they have to decide where to deploy a bank of underwater turbines. Then they must deploy those and then lock them in place and turn them on. And then the third one is an earthquake seismograph. So they have to take down this seismograph instrument and lock it into place on the floor. As part of that, they have to sample some seaweed or some eelgrass, bring it to the surface, identify the species, and then put it back in its designated area.
Wow.
So there's a little bit of biology, energy, earthquakes, and aircraft.
Awesome. And you have how many teams from where?
There are 32 teams from across the state of Florida here at the A.D. Henderson FAU High Pool for the state championship.
And this for the state championship, and then where will be the next level?
Two of the teams today, the one that places first and second, will go to Seattle. Boeing is a big sponsor this year, thus the aircraft theme.
Right.
And they will be competing there in Seattle for the international championship, where there are teams from all over the world that will come to compete there.
Wow. Well, good luck.
All right, thank you.